I won't get close to your heartache. If you won't open your door, I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back.
Now I can actually see.
Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
I cannot believe he gave me enough time to get ready. He's going to wake up any minute.
You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can.
Hi guys, welcome to another day in the life vlog. Forrest is still sleeping and I'm shocked I was able to get ready. I was so nervous styling my hair. He was squirming and I was just like, I'm gonna be walking around with half styled hair for a couple hours, but I was able to finish my hair and makeup and get dressed and all of that. So I am very happy. I have a vlog going live in a couple minutes, so I'm going to hop on my computer and double check that that's set up right, and then I'm sure Forrest will wake up any minute and I'll feed him and hang out with him. I have a lot of things to get done. I need to wrap some presents. I want to do my nails. I have like several things around the house to do. We really have to do his handprint. I don't know where it is. I'm staring down here because there's so many boxes under the tree. I think it's in a box down there, but like the handprint, that's an ornament for his first Christmas. Still haven't done that. I know I've said it in a few videos, so I really hope at the end of this video I do it. I always like start the intro saying what I want to do, and then at the end I say like I didn't do this, this, and this. So I have a good attitude about this vlog. I hope I can get done everything I tell you guys. If you enjoy this, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm about to go in there and say, excuse me, I miss you, time to wake up. So hopefully any minute he wakes up. Right now I just had a video, it went live like 5 minutes ago, so I'm responding to a bunch of comments right now, and I'm just sitting here like watching the clock, waiting for him to wake up. So I'm going to respond to comments until then. How long has it been since he ate? About 2 hours. So if he doesn't wake up in the next 30 minutes, I can't believe he's sleeping right now. It's just, he's always awake right now, but he woke up at like 4 last night. He's been sleeping through the night. Well, I mean, I don't know what people actually consider like sleeping through the night. If it's over 6 hours, I would consider that sleeping through the night. And he has been for like the last about 2 weeks, I would say, except for last night he woke up at 4 to eat, and then 7. So I think he's just like thrown off his schedule, but he's been sleeping. Let me go to the sleep really quickly. I get so many sleep questions. So yeah, his longest stretch of sleep was 4 hours and 58 minutes last night. The night before was 6 hours and 27 minutes. The night before, was that throughout the day? 7 hours and 16 minutes, 6 hours and 20 minutes, 7 hours and 18 minutes, 6 hours and 20 minutes, 6 hours 11 minutes, 6 hours 59 minutes, 8 hours and 2 minutes, 7 hours and 9 minutes, 5 hours and 50 minutes, 5 hours and 51 minutes. So yeah, that's the last like several days in order from the most recent through the not most recent of like the last week. So he has some pretty good stretches of sleep, which have been amazing. And a lot of times I'm not even sleeping that whole thing. I am like working on my computer, but the fact that he has like fairly consistent stretches is really, really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to be responding to comments and getting some computer work done until he wakes up. Hi, you ready? Let me turn the light on. Oh, that's bright. Good morning. I missed you. What took you so long, man? Let me turn the button off. Oh. I'm gonna leave that in. I have to. You crazy guy. Look how beautiful you are. You want a new diaper? Let's get a new diaper, okay? Did you know you let me get ready? You let me get ready. Wow. That was so nice. Let's lay a blanket down here, okay? Thank you so much. That's such a nice baby. Thank you. New diaper first. New diaper is the most important, okay?
That you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
Say, Dad, my diaper pail's full, Dad. Dad, what are you doing? That was a great sleep, okay? Great job. Good boy. He is the best boy ever. Okay, I have a smelly, smelly baby. I'm about to pick you up right now. And in here, I have everything laid out for a bath. He normally will have a bath at night, but I'll tell you what's been going on at night and why he hasn't. So, I have all of this going. I just had to hand wash those real quick because the dishwasher is full, and then this is filling up, and I'm going to go change him and then put him in there. Can I get this sweet baby out of these clothes? Yeah. Oh, hold on. We don't stand in the tub, okay? Oh, wow, what a beautiful baby. Let's get some shampoo in that hair.
Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong, let it all out of me.
Okay.
I can see it in your
love the
eyes
tub.
that you're
You ready to get out?
shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
You did so good. Good bath. Good bath, guy. How cute is it seeing a little baby in a kitchen sink? I can't get over that. You want some lotion? Let's get out. I'm coming for you, hunk. I'm just getting your towel ready. Making sure it doesn't have all my hair on it because my hair is over everything. Got your lotion. Okay, you ready? It wasn't yesterday, it was the day before, but he nursed literally once or twice an hour from noon until midnight. It was a lot. And then he nursed probably like several times within about 3 hours yesterday. So it's starting to get a little bit better, but whoa. Every time a leap happens, he just wants to nurse constantly, don't you? And that's like super common. I read too, it's like one of the first signs. So all is going good, but wow. It can be a lot. Okay, last step is just put your outfit on and you are good to go. You are bathed, you are fresh, you're clean, you're looking good. We do need your sock on for you going to night. Oh, and then I read if he keeps getting his arm out of a swaddle, which he is, it's probably time to start having his arms not swaddled. So I left out his left hand last night. I think he's left-handed like me, and he's always like sucking on his left hand. His hand was freezing. It's 72 degrees in our house, so it's not cold. I don't know if it was like from it being wet from him sucking on it or what, but I don't really want to leave his hand out if it's going to be cold. Hey, one last arm. One last arm. While Forrest is napping, I'm going to deal with all of this. I'm leaving this and all of this.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby,
Okay, Forrest is up. I'm going to go get him. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hi, Papa. You done? That was a 30-minute nap. Not the longest, but I got the kitchen and the living room cleaned. I vacuumed. Are you happy about that? Are you ready to eat? Let's go. It's a few hours later. We had dinner and I'm going to wrap presents. Forrest is with his dad right now. They are rocking. It probably won't last very long because I told you guys Forrest is like on a cluster feeding thing the last few nights, and I have a feeling he's going to be doing that tonight. So I'm going to wrap as long as I can, and I feel like I haven't done anything I told you guys I wanted to in the beginning of this video. So that's my motivation to start doing this right now. I'm going to have a sip of my lemonade and get to it. I don't have a regular roll of tape, at least I couldn't find one, so I have to use scissors and like a big shipping tape thing. And the first thing, I'm wrapping like almost everything for Forrest. The first thing is a tambourine and maraca set, and everything he's getting for Christmas are essentially like his first toys, because he is 3 months this Saturday, so he will be like right over 3 months at Christmas. So there hasn't been a need for a whole lot of toys, which is why like I'm super excited about these presents, because he's going to have so many things to play with. These are all smaller gifts. This one is a Winkle toy, it says. It's just like those plasticky things and you shake it. This is a wrist rattle set. This is a toothbrush. I thought it was a teether. It's definitely not, but we will have it. And this one is a teether set. It's 3 teethers all in one. Are any of these showing up for you? Probably not. I think people stick these in the freezer. Hey babe, I can feed him if he seems like he wants it.
So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a
I realized I'm wrapping these presents for him, and I'm going to be unwrapping these presents.
and underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so all of you.
These are the last two that are like his larger ones. This is a floor seat, a Bumbo. And this one is a 4-in-1, so it's like a play gym. There's a piano. It's from Target, one of those baby Einstein floor mat things. There's like so many of these, and especially since he's starting to like really wiggle and kick around, I know he's going to use this a lot. What did you get him? And then he has a floor bouncer thing.
Jolly jumper.
So he can sit in that and jump around. That's gonna be really cute too. We probably won't wrap that one because it's huge. I'll show you the box. But yeah, for 3 months old, I think this is okay. for this day in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I never get done everything, but I try. There's always tomorrow. So I will link recent videos down below and more. And I'll see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.